Good morning students. Last video we discussed 10th and 11th problems in exercise number 10.2. In this video I am going to explaining last two problems, question number 12 and question number 13. Coming to question number 12, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of a radius 4 centimeters such that the line segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of a length 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the sides of AB and AC. So here a triangle is there, a circle is circumscribing a triangle, and D is the point of contact. So this D divides total BC side into a two parts. One is BD and second one is DC. And also given that BD is 8 centimeters, DC is 6 centimeters. This one is 8 centimeters, this one is 6 centimeters. We have to find out sides of AB and AC. Most important problem. So the circle circumscribing a triangle, D is the point of contact, divides this one side of a triangle BC into a two parts. One part is BD, another part is DC. BD length is 8 centimeter, DC length is 6 centimeters. Now we have to find out the length of this AB and AC. Okay. So before starting this problem, see here. For example, B is the external point. So this is E. I am considering. This is E. This is F. So B is the external point. From an external point, if we draw tangents with respect to this point of contacts D and E, the length of tangents must be equal. Yes or no? By theorem 10.2, from an external point, the length of the tangents must be equal. Here it is 8 centimeters in the sense BE must be 8 centimeters. And here also C is an external point. If we draw two tangents from this external point C, the length of two tangents must be equal. So here also it is 6 centimeters. Okay. For example, A is also an external point. If we draw two tangents, the length of two tangents must be equal. We don't know the length. For example, I am taking this length is x. So must and should be this length also x centimeters. Okay. So finally what we have to find out? This total AB length, this total AC length we have to find out. So if we find out x value, then it is easy to find out AB value. In the similar way, if we find out x value, it is easy to find out the AC side value. Understand? For this purpose, what we have to do? Let's see. Here, from figure, BD is equal to BE is equal to 8 centimeters. DC is equal to CF is equal to 6 centimeters. AE is equal to AF is equal to X centimeters. Okay. So first case, first I am finding the area of this triangle. So area of the triangle, when three sides are known, then what is the formula to find out the area of a triangle? Area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So A is the length of the first side, second side, third side. Okay. ABC are the length of the three sides of a triangle. Okay. So for example, here it is A. A is 8 plus 6, 14 centimeters. I am finding the area of this total triangle. That formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. A, B, C are the three sides of a triangle. Here a value is, this total side length is 14 centimeters and this total side length is x plus 6 centimeter. This total side length is x plus 8 centimeters. Now substitute those values. So first we have to find out s value. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. A value 14, b value x plus 6, c value x plus 8 by 2. So x plus x 2x, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28 by 2. If we take 2 common, x plus 14 by 2, 2 get cancelled. So finally we get s value x plus 14 centimeters. X plus 14 centimeters. Now we substitute in area of a triangle. So area of triangle is equal to square root of s. S value how much? X plus 14. S minus a. S value x plus 14 minus a value. Minus a value how much? 14. This is s minus a. Understand? S minus b. X plus 14 minus b value how much? X plus 6. Minus of x plus 6. And s minus c means x plus 14 minus of x plus 8. Understand? This is s value, s minus a only 14, s minus b, b value x plus 6, s minus c, x plus 14 minus c value is x plus 8. So x plus 14, 14 get cancelled, we get x only. X plus 14 minus x minus 6. Here also x plus 14 minus x minus 8. So x get cancelled, x get cancelled. X plus 14 into x. 14 minus 6, how much? 8. 14 minus 8, how much? 6. So finally we get x into x plus 14 into 48 centimeters square. Area, right? So centimeters. Understand? This is the first case we are finding the area of this particular triangle. Understand? Find out areas of some of the three triangles. Let's see. So case 1, we are finding the area of a bigger triangle, that is by using formula root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, we are get square root of x into x plus 14 into 48 centimeters square. Now case 2, here this is the diagram. I join this center O to D and center O to E and center O to F. And also I am joining this B to O and this O to C and this O to A. Okay, so I am joining this. This is center O. Understand? So this is the first figure. Coming to second figure, just I am joining the point of contact and also joining the corners to center. Now what I want to do means, I want to find out the areas of a three triangles. What are those triangles? This is first triangle. You observe that? This is first triangle and this is second triangle and this is third triangle. So this is first triangle, this is second triangle, this is third triangle. Understand? This part, this part, this part. means the total triangle divided into a 3 triangles. Now I am finding the area of these 3 triangles. So these 3 triangles area is equal to area of this total triangle. By equating those two, it is useful to find out this x value. Understand? So first this triangle is, so area of triangle BOC. Triangle BOC. Okay. So regular formula for to find out the area of a triangle is half into base into height. What is that? Half into base into height. Here the base is 6 plus 8, total 14 into height. Height how much? Already he mentioned that in question. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So this is also 4, this is also 4, this is also 4 centimeters. Understand? So height how much? This total base is 14. Height how much? 4 centimeters. Understand? So what is the value? So first we have to written like this. Next, area of triangle, this triangle. What is the triangle? AOC triangle. Area of AOC. Half into, here the base value is x plus 8. This triangle, half into base into height. Here also height means the radius of the circle. So base is equal to x plus 8. Height is equal to 4. And next, area of triangle AOB. Coming to this triangle, base is x plus 6 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters. So half into x plus 6 into 4. Okay. Now, so this total sum, half into 14 into 4 plus half into x plus 8 into 4 plus half into x plus 6 into 4. Clear? So coming to here, we have to take common of 14 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 6. I am taking half from these 3 sides. So what will have? 14 into x plus 8 into x plus 6, and also 4 is also there common, so 4. So 2 how many times? 2 times. So 14 plus 6, 20, 28 means 2x plus 28 into 2. Understand? How we have to get 2x plus 28 into 2? If we take 2 common, we get x plus 14 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into x plus 14. So area of these 3 triangles we get 4 into x plus 14. And area of a bigger triangle goes to this one. So now equating these two. Area of triangle ABC is equal to areas of triangle BOC plus triangle AOC plus triangle AOB. So area of a big triangle how much? Square root of x into x plus 14 into 48. Areas of these 3 triangles sum is equal to 4 into x plus 14. By squaring on both sides we get x into x plus 14 into 48 is equal to, if we squaring this we get 16 into x plus 14 whole square by squaring on both sides. 4 square means 16. If we squaring on both sides, root get cancelled. 4 square means 16, x plus 14 whole square. So 16 how many times? 48, 3 times. So 3 into x plus 14. Here we get x plus 14 whole square. Understand? So now let me substitute, then we get answer. So for example, this x plus 14 one time and this one is get cancelled. So how much we get? 3x is equal to x plus 14. So 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to how much? 7. So what is the x value here? 7. X plus 14 here get cancelled. So 3x is equal to x plus 4. So x, if we take this side, 2x is equal to 14. X value how much? 7. So what is the x value? 7. Here if you substitute 7 value, 7 plus 6, how much? 13. Here also 7 plus 8, how much? 15. So final step you have to write, if we substitute x value, AB value is 13 centimeters and AC value is 15 centimeters. Understand the question? A simple one. Why we are doing all this means, if we find out this x value. So here the concept is, first we find out the area of this total triangle and we divide this total triangle into 3 triangles. So find out these 3 triangle areas. So this total area of this total triangle is equal to area of sum of these 3 triangles. By equating, we are getting the x value. Understand the question? Yes.